In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Clickup personal API token in just a few minutes. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully so you can access your API token smoothly, helping you integrate Clickup with other tools or applications. To begin, navigate to the Clickup website, which you can easily do by entering Clickup into your search engine and clicking on the first result. Once you're on the main page, look for the login button. Usually you'll find it at the top right of the screen. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. Here you have multiple options for logging in, but for this video let's stick to using Google for simplicity. Click on sign in with Google and you'll see a screen prompting you to select your Google account. If your Clickup account is tied to your Google account, select the correct one here. After selecting your Google account, you'll be directed to your Clickup home dashboard. From here, focus on the user interface's top right corner where you'll find your profile picture or initials. Clicking on your profile will bring up a drop-down menu, and from there you need to select Settings. It's within these settings that you'll gain access to your API token. Having entered the Settings menu, scroll through until you find the option labeled Clickup API. Click on this and you'll be presented with the information you've been seeking, the API token. This token is basically the key that allows external applications to interact with your Clickup account. If you're planning on using it to integrate Clickup with other software, it's crucial to keep this token secure and out of reach from those you don't want accessing your account. Now you'll notice there's an option to copy this token. Carefully click on Copy, and now it's on your clipboard, ready to be pasted into whatever service or application you need to integrate with Clickup. Remember, when sharing this token with applications, make sure they are trustworthy, as this token provides full access to your Clickup account capabilities that your API token is configured to permit. It's always a good practice to check your API token settings regularly and regenerate your token if you suspect it has been compromised. As you can see, accessing your Clickup API token is a simple task once you know your way around the platform. This small but mighty token can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing Clickup to interact and share data with other tools you use daily. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.